Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw Snorlax from Pokemon. And I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Snorlax, we're going to begin with the body. I'm going to start right here. We're going to make a big sad face that goes up and down. So we'll start right here, and we're going to make a nice big sad face that's going to come up and down to here. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We'll leave some space and we'll do the same thing on this side, a little line that's going to come up for the sides of the face. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down like this, kind of like our pointed triangle. We'll do that same thing here. We're going to come up and we're going to come down. Next, we're going to make a line right across here to connect the head. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And we're going to make another line that's going to come up and down here. Now for the face, we're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to make a little line right across here for one eye, and a little line right here for the other eye. Very simple. Now for the mouth, we're going to make a little line that comes straight across. And we're going to add two little triangles on each end for his teeth. Now, starting over here, we want to make his arm. So I'm going to begin right here by drawing a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve at the top, and it's going to come right down to here. We're going to add his little claws on here too. He's got 5 little claws. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 little claws on there. Now, starting down here, we want to add his feet, and his feet are just big and round. So we'll start by making a nice, big, round circle shape here for 1 foot. Then we'll leave some space, and we'll make another nice, big, round circle shape for his other foot. Then right here, we'll make a little line that comes across to connect it. Now, inside each foot, we're going to add a small circle shape. We'll do 1 here, and then we'll add 1 over here. On the top here, I'm going to add 1 little triangle for a toe. We'll add a second one here, and then a third one right there. We'll do the same thing here. We'll put 1 little triangle kind of inside the body, and then we'll draw 2 more outside. Now, starting up here, we want to add the other arm. So we'll start down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to slowly curve in. Then we're going to add those 5 little claws. So we'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. Now, the last step on Snorlax is we want to add the detail on the inside of his body, and it kind of looks like a giant jelly bean. So all we're going to do is start here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and then it's going to come back up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Snorlax from Pokemon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.